Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when Roblox is thinking that you are on mobile. So there's a few solutions. The first one would be to go on the search bar and write down services and open it. Once you are on services right there, you want to click anywhere and press W. And now I don't have it here, but you want to find Windows Pen and Ink. So you will see it here, Windows Pen and Ink, somewhere in this position. So if you will find it, you want to go ahead, double click on it. Just ignore this, but basically this is like Windows Pen and Ink. If you don't have it, I'm going to show you some other solutions. So if you have it, you're going to choose startup type and disable it, then press apply and OK. If that didn't fix the problem, or you don't have Windows Pen and Ink like I do, then you're going to open up your device manager. And on device manager, you want to try to find touch screen and touchpad. So human interface devices, you're going to press on this arrow, and here compliant touchpad, as you can see right there, and also touch screen. So we want to go ahead and disable device or update it and see if the problem was fixed or not. Now, if none of that worked, what could be the issue is Microsoft Store itself. So I have my Roblox from here. So what you want to do is go ahead to your downloads. Then on your downloads, you want to find Roblox. So to uninstall it, you're going to go to your installed apps. Just write down installed apps on your system settings. Then you're going to search for Roblox. And here on Roblox, you will find it right there. So what you need to do is press uninstall and uninstall it. And you want to go ahead and download your Roblox from the browser. So you're just gonna go here on roblox.com/download and you're gonna download the Windows application of Roblox. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time.